Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Crossroads and we are looking at the new tax office in Crossroads. That tall building is the tax office that is in use now, and the blue building to the right is the old tax office. You notice how much bigger the new tax office is? This one here, that is what they're using now. That shows you just how much Jamaica has grown over the years. And the government has a mega project to build or renovate 8 new tax offices across Jamaica. They're going to spend 11 billion to modernize and upgrade tax offices. In some cases, they'll build new tax offices. Everywhere you look in Jamaica, you see development taking place. You see construction taking place. The government is building hospitals, they're building police stations, they're building roads. A lot of infrastructure is being developed in Jamaica. And so now they are going to be building new or upgrading existing tax offices. Okay, so of the 11 billion, they're going to spend 2.3 billion to build a new tax office in Crossroads. Where we saw that tall building across the road by the Nuttall Hospital, they will be building a new tax office. I think it's 8 or 10 floors high. Massive structure. It probably will be the largest tax office in Jamaica. Now in Cristiano, they're spending 760 million on a tax office there. I think that one is just to renovate the tax office, and it's more than 50% complete. They'll be building they'll be renovating a tax office in Mandeville, and that one will be the Mandeville Revenue Center, and it's going to cost 953 million. And that one created a lot of discussion because they're spending call it $1 billion to renovate an office that they are leasing. They don't own the building, they're leasing it. So the first one is Crossroads, second one is Cristiano, third one is Mandeville. The fourth one is the Montego Bay Revenue Center. They'll be spending 2.4 billion on this one. So with that price tag, that sounds like a new structure that they're putting up. The fifth one will be the Santa Cruz Tax Office, and that's 920 million. So it sounds like they're probably going to be upgrading an existing one. And then the sixth one is Brownstown. They'll be spending 930 million and they'll be building a new tax office there. The seventh one is Anato Bay, and the eighth one is the Portmore Tax Office. The Portmore Tax Office is going to cost 1.9 billion. So if you notice the three largest allocations, Crossroads, which is Kingston, the largest population in Jamaica, Montego Bay, 2.4 billion. Although it doesn't have the second largest population, it has a lot of hotels, business. It's a second city. And the third one with the highest expenditure is the Portmore Tax Office at 1.9 billion. And Portmore is so large that it's going to become a parish very soon. So actually, the Montego Bay one is 2.4 billion, so that's the highest expenditure. Then Crossroads, then Portmore, and then the others that they seem to be renovating. Alright guys, we will give you update videos on all of these buildings as soon as possible, but we will keep you guys updated on the progress of this project. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.